Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to update your Google Chrome browser on your Windows laptop. So let's begin our video. So first, if you want to update your Google Chrome, then what should you do? You just open your Chrome browser. Okay, after open your Chrome browser, then go to on the top right corner three dot icon. There you can see three dot, just click it. After there you can see option at on the bottom, second option, help. You just click it and then you can get a option about Google Chrome. You just need to select it. After select it, then checking and then starting updating my Chrome. There you can see updating Chrome. So if you open this page, the Google Chrome automatically update. So if you go here, then your Google Chrome is starting for update. So in this way you can update your Google Chrome very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.